Hi and welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about small business ideas for school students who want to start their own ventures from home. Starting a small business can be a great way for students to learn valuable skills, earn some extra money, and pursue their passions. And with the rise of the internet, it's easier than ever to get started. Here are a few small business ideas that school students can try from the comfort of their own homes. Tutoring or academic coaching. If you excel in a particular subject, consider offering tutoring or academic coaching services to other students. You can advertise your services online and offer virtual sessions via video chat. Online store. If you have a creative streak and enjoy making handmade crafts or products, consider setting up an online store to sell your items. Platforms like Etsy and eBay make it easy to get started. Social media management. Many small businesses struggle to manage their social media accounts effectively. If you have a knack for social media and marketing, you could offer your services to help businesses grow their online presence. Freelance writing or editing. If you have a talent for writing or editing, you could offer your services as a freelance writer or editor. You can find clients through online job boards or by reaching out to businesses directly. Virtual event planning. With so many events going virtual these days, there is a growing demand for skilled virtual event planners. If you have an eye for detail and enjoy planning events, this could be a great opportunity for you. These are just a few small business ideas that school students can try from home. With a little creativity and hard work, you can turn your passion into a successful small business. Thanks for watching. If you have any other small business ideas that school students can try from home, be sure to leave a comment below and let us know. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all of our latest content. We can't wait to see what small business ideas you come up with.